Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca and I am going to show you how to make the perfect tumbler bag. And the reason why it's called that is because it's the perfect size for a tumbler. Tumbler meaning a cup. I'm doing the unlined version because I don't line anything under a 5x7 because it's just too much for my fingers, and the swearing is just it's no fun turning little bags with lining. Anyways, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is. I'm going to show you how to attach the bands, and I'm just using a Walmart brand of elastic hair ties, but they have all these cute little colors that you can get too in the hair department. So grab you some of those, or you can use, what else can you use? Those little rubber bracelets. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're little rubber bracelets. You can use those. Anyways, these are small enough, but they stretch and they go around a pretty good sized cup. So I like using those. So let's get started. First step on the machine is a placement step. So I'm going to run that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I ran the placement step. Since this is a 4x5 bag, I have my pieces already cut. You can use the placement lines to determine what size you would like to cut your fabrics at. I always cut an inch or two more on each side, so I have more than enough than not enough. A small zipper, and you want to take that zipper and just line it up with the center zipper teeth right here. So just line it up. You can secure it with tape if you like, or just put it in your machine and run the next step. It's going to secure the zipper on. When I do unlined bag, I use tearaway stabilizer, so you can use whatever you like, but tearaway is good for anything unlined because then you don't have the look of the stabilizer in your bag. So I'm gonna go secure the zipper on. I'll be right back. Okay, so the zipper's on. Now on the top portion of the bag, just line up your vinyl to the zipper there, however you want it. The next step on the machine is gonna secure the top part onto the stabilizer. And then the next step after that, it's going to do the same for the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and run the next two steps on the machine just to secure the stabilizer. Okay, I ran those two steps. It's secured on the stabilizer. I'm just going to poke a hole right there, so when I go to finish it off, I know where my zipper is. Okay, so on the next step on the machine is a placement line for a tab on this side. I only put the placements or the tabs in the files. It reminds us to put tabs there if you want. Now you can put your tabs anywhere you want, and in this case we're making a tumbler bag. This doesn't have to be specific for your tumbler. It can be a regular bag. So you could put your tab over here. You could put it over here, wherever you want. Anyways, that step on the machine is just so you don't forget to use your tabs if you want to. Now, since we are doing the tumbler bag, I'm going to show you how to do it. I have some fold over elastic, and you can use ribbon, whatever you want, and you just take your elastic and weave a hair tie through it like so, and then you want to make sure that the raw edges of your ribbon or faux fold over elastic is on the outside of your project. So I'm just going to eyeball it here and find my center where I think I want it, and you can make your tab long, big, whatever. I'm just gonna probably do it right around here. Keep it low enough out of the way of your foot so your foot doesn't get caught. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure that with tape. That doesn't look centered to me. Maybe right around there. So there's one, and then we're going to do the other side the same. And just line it up how you want it. And that's it. So, and you can use this type of finishing off your bags for your tumblers or whatever you want to put your bag, any size bag or any kind of bag you want to do. You can always add tabs anywhere you want. Make it your own little project, you know. So I'm going to skip those steps on the machine because it's a placement for here and a tack down for tabs here. Now I want to open up my zipper and then run the last step. You want to take your back fabric and cover the entire thing, and we are almost done. These bags take just a couple of minutes when there's no lining or anything involved like that. So quick and easy. I'll be right back. Okay, your bag is done almost. So just remove it from the hoop. Clean up your stabilizer. This part is not very exciting. I'm gonna pause the video while I get the rest of this stabilizer out, and then, oh, there it goes. You never know. Sometimes you fight with it, sometimes you don't. So, and you just trim around your bag. I like to leave the zippers just a little bit long. There's my tab for my thing. I'm gonna leave that just a little bit long too. Nobody's gonna see that at the bottom of your bag. So, I don't leave it too long. I don't want it to come out, so I'm usually careful. Sometimes I run that last step twice just to go over it a couple of times when there's no lining involved, but it's a triple stitch, so it should hold well, but I just like things to last a while, so I take extra precautions sometimes. I know this part's boring too, but I just wanted to show you how quick and easy these bags are. And how to do the little tabs on it. People were asking. Let's cut my corners out here a little bit. Sometimes I burn the ends of the zipper. To secure it a little bit. I don't know if it helps or not, but that's what I do. So now you just turn it through the zipper. Poke out your corners as you're going. I have a pokey thing too that I use. Just poke out my corners. This little bone folder I've had for like 30 years when I was doing scrapbooking. Come in handy Anyways, just poke my corners out. And there you have it. All done. So I don't have a tumbler with a handle on it. I don't like the handles. So I just have this little cup here, and it's full because I'm using it. But just take it. So if you had a handle, you do the top or bottom first, and then like so. And you can put your keychain or something in there. Anyways, cute. And the elastic bands hold real well, so you can fill it up and it's not gonna move. So anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching.